Hi, my name is Claudia Sandelin, and this is a presentation about the importance of spaying and neutering our pets. Some 70,000 puppies and kittens are born every day in the United States. Only 10% of animals admitted to shelters have been spayed or neutered prior to arrival. That means between 8,000 and 11,000 pets are euthanized every day simply because they are homeless. An animal in a shelter is killed every 6.5 seconds. Only one animal in 10 born in the United States gets a good home that lasts a lifetime. It costs less to spay or neuter your pet than it does to raise a litter of puppies or kittens. Between 3 and 4 million pets are euthanized every year because they're homeless. That's 60% of dogs and 70% of cats. The number of homeless animals varies by state. In some states, there are as many as 300,000 homeless animals euthanized in animal shelters every year. They are not the offspring of homeless street animals. These are the puppies and kittens of cherished family pets and even pure breeds. Many people are surprised to learn that nationwide, more than 3 million cats and dogs are euthanized in shelters. A spay or neuter is the only permanent 100% effective method of birth control for dogs and cats. Why should you spay or neuter your dog? Spaying is a veterinary procedure that removes the ovaries and uterus of a female pet. Spaying helps prevent uterine infections and breast cancer. Spaying your pet before her first heat offers the best protection from these diseases. Neutering is a veterinary procedure that removes the testicles of your male pet. Neutering your male companion prevents testicular cancer if done before 6 months of age. Many aggression problems can be avoided by early neutering. When is the best time to spay or neuter my dog? It is generally considered safe for puppies as young as 8 weeks of age to be spayed or neutered. In an effort to avoid the start of urine marking in male dogs and eliminate the chance of pregnancy, it's advisable to schedule the surgery before your dog reaches 6 months of age. The older dogs can be good candidates for a sterilization surgery. Your vet can best determine if the procedure can safely be performed. Please check with your veterinarian about the best time to spay or neuter your pet. The benefits of neutering, both health and behavioral, can still be obtained regardless of the age at which neutering is performed. What behavioral changes can be expected after neuter? Playfulness, friendliness, and socialization with humans are not changed. The behaviors that change are far less desirable. The interest in roaming is eliminated in 90% of neuter dogs. Aggressive behavior against other male dogs is eliminated in 60% of neuter dogs. Urine marking is eliminated in 50% of neuter male dogs. Inappropriate mounting is eliminated in 70% of neuter dogs. Myths about spaying and neutering. Some people don't want to spay or neuter their dog because they have heard some bad side effects of the surgery, or because they have picked up some mistaken ideas along the way. There are a number of myths about spaying and neutering. Here are a few of the most common and the truth about each. Altering makes a dog fat. Spaying or neutering at the youngest possible age before the dog has reached sexual maturity generally has no effect. Dogs who are fat are usually fat because they're fed too much or do not get enough exercise. Altering makes a dog lazy. Altering does not make a dog lazy. Altered dogs are as playful as energetic as intact dogs. Altering changes a dog's personality. Your dog will be no less like himself than humans are after undergoing a vasectomy. My dog has a right to experience sex. Sex, for a dog, is nothing more than the result of a powerful, instinctive drive to reproduce. Not just for dogs and cats. Rabbits reproduce faster than dogs and cats and often end up in shelters where their mass be euthanized. Spaying or neutering rabbits can be reduced hormone-driven behaviors such as lunging, mountain spraying, and boxing. Spaying females can prevent ovarian, mammary, and uterine cancers, which can be preventable in mature females. How do I prepare my pet for surgery? Your veterinary clinic will provide pre-surgical advice for you to follow. In general, you should avoid giving your dog any food after midnight the night before surgery. A puppy, however, needs adequate nutrition, and your veterinarian may advise that food not be withheld. Water should generally not be withheld from any canine patient prior to a sterilization surgery. What is the recovery process for recently spayed or neutered dogs? Provide your dog with a quiet place to recover, indoors and away from other animals. Prevent your dog from running and jumping for the first few days following surgery. Discourage your dog from licking the incision site, which may cause infection. Avoid bathing your dog for at least 10 days after surgery. Check the incision site daily to confirm proper healing. If you notice any redland swelling or discharge at the surgery site, or if the incision is open, please contact your vet. Also, call your vet if your dog is allergic, has a decreased appetite, is vomiting, or has diarrhea following surgery. What about the expense? While it is true the surgery for your dog costs money, you should be aware that the cost of altering your dog will save you money in medical care in the long run, because your dog is less likely to develop common diseases that affect unaltered animals as they age. But because of the seriousness of the pet overpopulation problem, there are countless programs that provide low-cost spaying and neutering for dogs. Animal shelters often provide this service, and if your local shelter does not, they can probably tell you about a shelter nearby that does. Here are some websites that can help you find a local spay neuter program. SpayedUSA.org, the national referral service that can direct you to more than 900 clinics that offer spaying and neutering at reduced prices. ASPCA.org shows low-cost spayed and neutering clinics across North America on an interactive map. PotRescue.org has a list of low-cost spay-neuter clinics in a number of states and nationwide. Use any search engine of the web, such as Yahoo, Bing, or Google, to find extensive lists of clinics by city and state. Try low-cost neuter to start your search.